Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to upload photos to Google Drive from Android. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we should do is to log in into our Google Drive. Once inside, we will see the new button on the right side of the screen. Click on it and we will be able to choose the option to create a new folder to upload our photos, or simply click on Upload. This will show us the most recent image from our phone. We can search the gallery and choose a photo directly from there. We just have to click on the check button and voila! Our image will be uploaded to our drive. You can drag down the screen to refresh and you will see the file there. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.